6 Health benefits of drinking green tea. According to many sources, green tea is among the best, healthiest beverages on the planet. Here are 6 health benefits of green tea. 1. Increases fat burning. Green tea extract increased calorie burn by 4% in a study involving 10 healthy men. Green tea extract increased fat oxidation by 17% in another study involving 12 healthy men when compared to a placebo group. However, some studies on green tea have found no increase in metabolism, suggesting that the effects may vary depending on the individual. 2. May prevent cardiovascular disease. The major causes of death worldwide are cardiovascular disorders, such as heart disease and stroke.
Green tea has been shown in studies to improve several of the primary risk factors for these diseases, such as total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Green tea also boosts the blood's antioxidant capacity, which protects LDL particles from oxidation, which is one of the factors that leads to heart disease.
Given the positive impacts on risk variables, it's no surprise that green tea drinkers have a 31% lower risk of dying from a cardiovascular disease. 3. May help to live longer.
Green tea has several components that may help protect against cancer and heart disease, so it's not surprising that it might help you live longer.
Researchers evaluated 40,530 Japanese people for 11 years in one study. Those who drank the most green tea 5 or more cups per day had a lower risk of dying throughout the trial. Women have a 23% lower death rate than males, and men have a 12% lower death rate. Women had a 31% reduced risk of dying from heart disease, whereas males have a 22% lower risk. Stroke mortality is 42% lower in women and 35% lower in males. 4. Green tea may fight certain cancers. This is significant. After all, we all know someone who has been touched by cancer, and some of us may have even experienced it ourselves. Knowing that green tea may help prevent cancer is a good reason to include it in your daily routine. Mouth, kidney, pancreas, stomach, and mammary glands are only a few of the cancers that can be avoided. 5. Fights inflammation. Green tea flavonoids have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Green tea's epigallocatechin gallate possesses anti-inflammatory properties and preserves cell DNA. Green tea also has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that help to reduce inflammation. 6. May boost brain function.
Green tea includes a variety of natural stimulants, including caffeine, which, while not as strong as coffee, may aid alertness and attention. Furthermore, green tea contains the amino acid L-theanine, which has a soothing effect by raising mood-enhancing brain chemicals such as GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. Green tea's polyphenols may also aid to reduce the effects of aging on the brain.
In conclusion, if you are caffeine sensitive, you should restrict the overall amount of caffeinated drinks you consume each day. Caffeine can interrupt sleep and raise anxiety in some individuals. If this is a concern for you, try to cut back on your caffeine intake and have your last caffeinated drink about 12 p.m.